we're going to go over how to locate the answers for assignment number 1, Persuasive Techniques Tutorial and Notes page. So on your worksheet, it says Persuasive Techniques Try To, and you should have gone to slide 2, and it says they try to convince you to believe something. Then we're going to go ahead and go to slide 4. Many persuasive techniques are used in the media every day. Here's my keyword, media. Examples include, and this means here's the examples. So on your worksheet, you should have print ads, commercials, and newspaper editorials. 3 commonly used techniques are, and that is found right here. Pardon me. 3 of the most commonly used techniques. And for your answer box, you should have emotional appeals, appeals by association, and ethical appeals. These types of appeals, and instead of appeals, it has techniques. They're the same thing. These techniques should never take the place of a logical argument. Okay, we're going to go on to slide 5. An emotional appeal to pity means the audience feels. So when I click on pity, it gives you this. And the audience is supposed to feel sorry or sorrow or sad. An emotional appeal to vanity means the audience will feel pride. Emotional appeals often are used to disguise or hide. Another word for disguise is hide. Bad logic. Okay, we're going to go on to slide 7. Readers should be able to identify emotional appeals because it will keep them, so right here, will keep them from being easily influenced by them. Influenced. Okay, we're going to go over to slide 9. An appeal by association tries to persuade the audience by appealing to their desire. So right here's the word desire, and then here's the 3 examples. To fit in, to have a positive image, or to be connected to someone they admire. When an idea or product is connected to something readers find comforting or familiar, so you needed to click through these things until you found the words comforting or familiar. This type of appeal is called plain folks. Snob appeal is where the audience desires to be special or elite. Testimonials or appeals to blank. So I needed to find another word for testimonials. So you would have needed to click through these and read them. Here's the word testimonials. appeals to authorities, sometimes called testimonials. So the answer, testimonials, or appeals to authority. Authority. Persuade, by using celebrities or experts to support a product or an idea. So you should have put celebrities or experts. You can't trust celebrity appeals because the person is, right here it says you cannot always trust, and the reason why: celebrities are often paid. You can't trust celebrity appeals because the person is paid to say they like or use a product. So you'll notice on this one, the search and find, what you had to search for was the reverse, the opposite of what was on the paper. Okay, going to slide 10. You had to find which one of these were appeals by association and then write those answers on your paper. So one of your answers should be millions of people, or by the computer, that serious computer people. Millions of people refers to plain folks. Serious computer people are the experts. So these are your appeals by association. Okay. Slide 11. Ethical appeals link specific claims or commonly held beliefs or values, such as, and then it asked for 3 examples: duty, justice, or a sense of what's right. These types of appeals are hard to criticize because, so right here it's talking about these appeals are hard to criticize because people are very attached to their beliefs and values. People are attached to their beliefs and values. And again, you'll notice how you had to search. The part you were searching for was the last part in the sentence. The part you had to write on your paper was the beginning part of the sentence. Okay, going over to slide 12. You had to sort emotional and ethical appeals and give examples. All right, so ethical appeals. One of your answers should be, you can make a difference. Clean streets and safe schools are everyone's responsibility. And your second answer should have been, safety starts here. If you see something suspicious, call the police. Okay. These answers could have been continued onto the back. Then it says on your worksheet, you can identify the type of appeal by asking. So we'll need to go to slide 13 for this one. And it says, when identifying types of appeals, ask yourself, and you should have written down what desire, feeling, or value is the writer trying to tap into. Okay, slide 14. Loaded language is when words have a strong, there we go, loaded language are words with strong, you should have put positive or negative meanings. Positive or negative meanings. So by using keywords, and scanning the slides, you should have been able to complete this worksheet, which now is going to turn into a study sheet for you. It'll help you understand the meanings of the persuasive appeals and how they're being used.